question. The sum of 5 consecutive positive integers a, b, c, d, e arranged in ascending order is equal to sum of 4 consecutive positive integer x, y, z and w. Again arranged in ascending order. So the sum of these 5 consecutive positive numbers a, b, c, d, e. So let's just assume these numbers to be p, p plus 1, p plus 2, p plus 3 and p plus 4. Because these are consecutive positive numbers where p is any positive integer, and there are these 4 numbers x, y, z and w, and these 4 numbers are also 4 positive consecutive even numbers. So let's just assume them to be q, q plus 1, q plus 2 and q plus 3. And now it is given that sum of these numbers is equal to sum of these numbers. So this sum is 5p plus 10, 4 and 3, 7 and 2, 9 and 1, 10, and sum of these 4 numbers is 4q plus 3 and 2, 5 and 1, 6. And these two sums are giving me as equal. So 5p plus 10 is equal to 4q plus 6. From here 5p becomes 4q minus 4, which is the relation of p and q. Now it is asked, it is also known that all of these 9 integers are less than 50. These 9 integers, that is a, b, c, d, e and x, y, z, w are less than 50. So the maximum of these numbers, maximum of this lot, that is p plus 4, has to be less than 50, and maximum of this lot, that is q plus 3, has to be less than 50, because all these numbers are less than 50. So I get the condition that q must be less than 47 and p must be less than 46. Find the maximum possible value of e. I need to find the maximum value of e. So e is p plus 4. So for the maximum value of p, I need to maximize this number, this p. So I have to find the maximum value of p. For p to be maximum, q has to be maximum, because the relation between p and q is 5p is 4q times 4q minus 4. This constant 4 is subtracted from 4q. So this number has to be as large as possible, and the value of q is less than 47. So the maximum value of q can be 46, because q has to be an integer and it has to be less than 47. So the maximum value of q can be 46. So from here p max would be 4 times of 46 minus 4, and that is 4 times 45. So p max would be divided by 5, that is 9 or 36. So from this relation, if I put q max or maximum value of q as 46, p max comes out to be 36. So the maximum value of e can be 36 plus 4, and that is 40. So correct answer to this question is option A, 40.